Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Use Me in Thy Service, and that is in the key of B. Guys, this is a nice gospel blues type song. We're going to get through it. This was requested by Bernice Hughes. Thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us such an awesome song to work on this day. To kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with. Yep, it's that time. I gotta show you I'm working with my coffee. You see it? Yeah, I got my coffee on today. I'm gonna drink that in a little bit. Guys, I want you to head to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage. I want you to head back to your favorite keyboard and sit down and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today.
You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it.
All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of B. That's B, D flat, E flat, E, G flat, A flat, B flat, and B. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yeah, we haven't did B in a while. But guys, let's go ahead and crack our knuckles. Let's stretch them out. And let's get ready to play Use Me in Thy Service.
Use me, Lord.
That was Use Me in Thy Service.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with a nice little movement we're going. This is known in gospel. Okay, this is the gospel shuffle. So all we're doing is we're starting out on a 1. We're playing our B dominant 7 chord. We're going to our 6. We're playing our E major chord. We're going to our 7 flat. We're playing our A dominant 7 chord. Then we're going right back to our 6 and we're playing a E major chord. And then we're going back to that first chord, which is our B dominant 7 on the 1. So guys, this is the shuffle, right? Just boom, 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 boom. And once you just get used to that little pass, that's the drive of the song right there. Yeah, you can really feel that movement. So, use me, Lord, in thy service. Draw me near. So we changed. We went to the 4. We're playing our E dominant 7 on the 4. Then we're going to the 6. We're just changing one note. This is our new chord. And then we're going right back to our E dominant 7, but now we're on the 1. And let's go back to our 6 with our E6 chord. And then we go back to the 1. And that's just a B flat dominant 7. They're doing this nice walk. Let me give you that. We're going 3, 4, 5 flat. Then right here on the 5, we're playing the B flat augmented chord. And then we're kind of starting over. Let me give you all of that. So all we're doing is we're going on the 1. We're playing our B flat dominant 7. Play it again. Now we're just walking straight down. We're on the 7 now. We're playing a B flat dominant 7. Now we're going to our 7 flat. We're playing an A dominant 7. Now we're on our 6 and we're playing a A flat dominant 7. We're doing this nice movement. Let me give you that. We're playing the 2. We're playing this nice chord right here. Now guys, all we're doing is we're just moving our thumb. When we go to our 3, the only thing that changed was our thumb. And then we're going to our 4. Our thumb changed. Then we're going to our 5 flat. Our thumb changed right here. And then we're playing our G flat dominant 7. And then we're playing our G dominant 7. And back to our G flat dominant 7. Now they just continue to walk up. What I like to do is go. So what I like to do is play the 6 and the 5. And I'm playing an F minor chord. We're going up. I'm playing a 7 flat and a 6 flat. And I'm playing a G flat minor chord. Walking up. Playing a 7 and a 6. I'm playing a regular G minor chord. Our next part is, let me give you that. We're playing a 1. We're playing a regular B flat dominant 7 chord. We're with both hands. We're going 3, 4, 5 flat, 5, and then we're playing this nice chord on the 5. I just hit it twice. And then we're going right back to the same thing we did earlier. Our nice groove. All right, the second time through, I like to go right here on the 5 flat. So I'm playing a B flat diminished 7 chord, and we're on the 5 flat. And I like to just spell out that chord in the left hand. Okay. And then we're going what we learned earlier. It changes right here. We're going to our 2 and we're playing this F diminished 7 chord on the 2. Then we're going to our 5 and we're playing a G flat dominant 7 chord. We're ending with our B dominant 7 chord. There's one thing that I did earlier in the song, and it was a nice little transition that you could do. All right, let me give you that. What we're doing is we're playing D and a G flat, and then we're taking our E and A flat going up. We're going back to the D and the G flat, and we're playing D flat, B, A flat, G flat. And on the 1, we're playing a regular B. Now I'm going to do it very slow for you. Let's try going even slower. All right, guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is when life gives you lemons. When my brother and I were young, We lost our baseball and had to make do with what we had. Since we didn't have a real ball, we found the next best thing. Small, acorn-like seed pods from the magnolia tree in our front yard. Those became our baseballs. We spent hours throwing them, taking batting practice and perfecting our swings. The best part, if we hit one over the fence, we didn't have to search for it. We just grab another one. Before long, our dedication paid off. Our teammates gave us the nickname AK and JK because we became two of the top hitters on the team. Or maybe just because we kept smacking those seed pods like we were in the World Series of magnolia trees. Either way, we took it as a compliment. That experience taught me a valuable lesson. You don't need the best equipment to be great. If all you have is a Casio keyboard, practice it so much that no one can tell the difference. If all you have is a chessboard, play it like a grandmaster, just with more confused looks and the occasional, wait, can that horse do that? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me, your favorite instructor. And Bernice, thank you so much for that awesome song. I really enjoyed playing it. Guys, I would love it if you continue doing what you're doing. Continue to share, continue to get the word out to your favorite musician friends. Anyone that you know that might want to learn how to play the piano, tell them about this awesome YouTube channel. Guys, I would love it if you go and check out Facebook. We have Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear him play. And I hope you do as well. And also, I would love it if you could shoot me a request and let me know a song that I can play for you so that we all can enjoy it together. Guys, again, that's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Go and check it out. We have a bell, and when you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what? I'm going to cut straight to the chase. It takes 3 seconds to hit that bell. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much, guys. You have made my day and my week. I want you to know that you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.